In this video, we will learn how to create stunning and professional presentation slides in PowerPoint. Follow along to master new technique and design tips for your next presentation. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select round rectangle, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to left side. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this, drag it like this. Go to Rotate, select Rotate left 90 degree. Place it here. Select both. Go to Merge Shape, select Union. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this, drag it like this. Click on right button, select Edit Point and grab this point and pull it in. Select both. Go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. Add nature here. Select both, go to Format, go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Go back to Insert, click on Picture, select this and insert it. Click on right button, send to back. Select both, go to Format, go to Merge Shape, select Intersect. By following this tutorial, you will master the latest design tricks to create stunning PowerPoint slide in 2024. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.